Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We have a articulating borescope. We have an upgraded model. The old one was the KBA1 and this is the new one, KBA2. So got a couple differences between the two. First will be the size of the camera is thinner but better than the old one. The old one had an 8mm diameter. This one has a 6.5mm diameter. Makes it a little bit easier to get into some smaller tight spaces. The field of view is also a little bit bigger. Went from a 70 to a 90. The cable length is a little bit bigger. The battery life is definitely a better item. About 2 hours longer than the original, so this can go up to 5 hours. It's got a couple of different features on there. Brightness of the screen, does have an, just like the older one, I can rotate the angle, the end piece where I want it to go inside. So I'm going to show a little demonstration of what we have. So here we're doing a vacuum pump that the pieces have broken apart in, and right down there is where I need to look. You can only see a little bit of the area even with the flashlight, so that's where this little puppy comes into play. It's got a light on the end, so you can go down inside the hole area and take a look. See? That's what I'm looking for right there. Make sure there's no damage on that specific item. And then I can go down inside. Rotate it down a little bit. Like that. Like that. See? That's what I'm looking for. Make sure there's no more pieces down inside there. This is all the stuff that I dug out. That's what you got to get taken out for this type of job here, so that the engine doesn't get locked up. Yay. But this is a good item for a borescope. The older ones are a little cheaper, like everything else. The older ones are cheaper, new ones are a little more expensive, but it's the way the stuff usually works. Oh, also take a picture. So if you need to have video proof or picture proof of certain things when you're doing an investigation, that is also a good feature. But yeah, definitely the newer one, the KBA2, is a much improved item. I will have all of the information listed for where to purchase at the bottom of my descriptions.